My experience with Logix is one that started back in the beginning, even before Logix was introduced. I was part of an organization that was chartered with training our field engineers on new products, and Logix happened to be one of those new products. Logix by nature is one of these platforms that offers significant differentiation in the market. Fundamentally, one of the most significant changes when it was introduced still happens to be one of the most significant elements of differentiation in the market today, and that's its information enablement. It truly is ready for analytics as well as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and those kinds of things. It's ready-made for that today. We knew it was going to be different. We knew it was kind of revolutionary, but in hindsight, it's really pretty significant or pretty amazing how dramatic it has been, not only for Rockwell Automation, but also for our customers. I'm Dan Deyoung. I'm the Director of Portfolio Marketing inside of our global commercial marketing organization.